Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm always here to help you. So, in generally, if you are using a pirated copy of Windows 10 or anything Windows XP or Windows Vista or anything, so sometimes you are facing that your OS is not activated or this is pirated version. So Windows doesn't give you a permission to access it further, so it's giving a message every time. It's very annoying. So so there are solutions. So there are batch files. So here is the batch file code. So it will activate the Windows, whatever you are using, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 10, whatever. It will activate automatically just by a one click. No need to do anything further. So this is the normal batch code for the Windows. So just need to you can open it on as a text editor, any text editor. So right now I'm opening in a Notepad++. So this is the code looks like. So and the extension should be .bat. So so this is the batch file. After after saving the code here, you can get a batch file. Here is the batch file. So just what you need to do, you just need to go to the run administrator and click to yes, and just wait for the processing of command. So it takes some minutes, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. After finishing, you can see there are activation successful message. So that's done. You don't need to any restart or anything on your shutdown. You can just go and use it your Windows. Very easy step. So you just if you invest 1 minute. Okay, so one major thing I forgot to tell you, that you need to make a um, what can I say, it's a make a internet connection. You should have an internet connection, otherwise it will say the connection will failed. But I have a connection, but still it's saying trying to connect. But okay, after some four time it's failed four times, but after that in the fifth times it's done. Products activated successfully. Do you want to restart your PC? You can say no. Just type in. Okay, that's all. And your message, the activation error message will be gone. I think if it's not gone, you can just do a restart. That's all. Thanks guys for watching my video. Hope you will enjoy the video, and like and share and comment, and comment me if you need any other technical remedies from my side. So I will try my best to give a remedy. Thank you.